In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add custom fields to HubSpot forms. This process will enable you to capture the unique information you need from your leads, helping you tailor your marketing efforts more effectively. So let's dive right in. First, you'll need to go to the HubSpot website. If you haven't already bookmarked it, you can simply type HubSpot into your preferred search engine, and you'll find it right at the top of the results. Once you're there, look to the top right corner of the homepage. You'll see a login button. Click on that to proceed to the login screen. On the login page, you have several options, but for simplicity, let's choose Sign in with Google. This option is not only quick, but also ensures you're securely logged in without the hassle of entering additional passwords. It'll prompt you to select the Google account you wish to log in with. Pick the one associated with your HubSpot account. After you've signed in, it's time to navigate to your profile. While you're logged in, hover over your account name or icon at the top and click on Profile and Preferences. This is where you'll find many options related to your account settings and preferences, but today we're going to focus on custom fields. Now, in your profile and preferences, locate the Properties section. Properties are essentially what HubSpot uses to store data about your contacts, companies, deals, etc. And this is where you'll be adding your new custom field. So go ahead and click on Properties. Once you're in the Properties section, you'll notice a button labeled Create Property. Clicking on this will allow you to start defining your new custom field. Here, you'll want to pay special attention because the details you enter will help you organize and retrieve data from your forms efficiently. Next, you'll need to enter a property label. This is the name of the field you're going to create. Make sure it's descriptive enough to recognize later, such as customer feedback or preferred contact time. Once that's set, look to the left panel where you'll see an option to select the field type. This is crucial as it defines the kind of information your custom field will hold, such as text, number, or drop-down menu options. Choose the one that best suits the data you want to collect. Finally, with everything set, click on Create to add your new custom field. Congratulations, you've successfully enhanced your HubSpot form with a custom field, making sure you're capturing precisely the data you need. This customization allows for better segmentation and more personalized marketing efforts, helping your business meet its goals more effectively. That's it for today's tutorial on adding custom fields to HubSpot forms. Remember, taking the time to customize your forms can make a significant difference in how effectively you manage your customer relationships. Thank you for watching, and see you in the next tutorial.